G'day everyone, Mitch Kuehl here, coming from the Sydney Uni Farm again today. A nice rainy day upon us. You can see behind me here we got the clouds over the mountains, so it's over the Nandiwal Ranges, so that's a pretty good sign we're not far off some rain. So standing in a trial from Michael Walsh and his team. This is a trial specific to Asad Shabir, so his work here is on weed competition in sorghum, so non-chemical use. So we're looking at all our hard-to-kill grasses here, summer grasses, so windmill, barnyard, and feather-top Rhodes grass. So just looking at how we can outcompete these grasses by, sort of manipulating the planting structure of sorghum. And we've got a number of varieties they're looking at in this trial, and a number of weeds. So I'll just run you through a few plots. So as the camera pans around, we've got an untreated plot here, just to establish all the grass that's been growing here. So the guys have got feather top here, which we've actually pulled out to stop going to seed, to give us a problem down the track. So that's just a bit of an idea of the competition. So I'm just going to show you guys Taurus today. So we're standing in a Taurus plot. So we've got four different treatments I'll show you guys. So we've got 2 metre spacing treatments at 2 different plant populations. So we've got this Taurus on a metre row at 50,000, and the next treatment will be metre rows at 100,000 plants. Standing in front of here, I've got, you can noticeably see the grass coming through. So this is Taurus on 50,000 metre spacing. So obviously a bit less plant competition for the weeds up this row. This is Taurus on metre spacings at 100,000 plants a hectare. We can see a noticeable difference in the plant stand, obviously, and a lot higher. So that plant's just quite more erect than the 50,000, and showing a lot more biomass. You can see here we can make a notable difference in the weed competition. Still the odd weed here and there, but much better than the previous treatment. Standing in here in some narrow row stuff, so we've got 20-inch spacing here. So following on from our video the other day about our narrow row work, that's sort of one of the reasons that we're moving into that narrow row spacing as well, is for weed competition, because particularly with these summer grasses, they're becoming more and more of a beast and hard challenge to try and get on top of. So the narrow rows is another good way of trying to combat that. So I'm standing in Taurus at 20-inch here on 50,000 plants a hectare. So we can see here we've really we're shading that whole area. We've got a lot of biomass, and we're really shading that ground, so reducing the competition for those grasses. And this is the last treatment. This is Taurus on 20-inch, so narrow rows at 100,000 plants, so quite a large population. But as you can see, it's just to demonstrate complete closure of the canopy, hardly any light interception there onto the ground, and that's going to be a good way of competing against those weeds. So nice competition. So this is a short snapshot of the Sydney Uni trial here with the weeds team, Asad Shabir and Mike Walsh's team. They've been running this trial for a few years now, and they're they'll have some results in the next couple of years. So thanks for that.